I will be showing you how to use SPSS to complete a correlation analysis. My research question is there a relationship between marijuana usage and the amount of time someone was in a physical fight? My data is from the Youth Risk Behavior Survey from Guilford County High School. So the two variables I need to answer my research question, they're going to be question 42 and question 18. So first we want to go to Analyze, and next you select Correlate, then you select Bivariate. Here your questions are listed in question form. If you already know your question number, you can choose to click variable names and select your question and put it in the variable box. So again, we need 42 and 18. You select it, you highlight it, and just hit the arrow and it moves it to the box for you. And we also need question 18. Under the correlation coefficients, you want to make sure Pearson is highlighted as well as the two-tailed. And then we hit OK to get our correlation table in the output. So here's our correlation. And here, just to break down the table, the N signifies how many people who were included in the study. And when you see a 1 in the box, that signifies a perfect relationship. Under the Pearson correlation, that's the strongest relationship you can have, whether it be a positive one or a negative one. And the reason why these boxes have perfect relationships because it's the same question compared to itself. So the relationship is perfect, it's strong. Here we look at our p-values in the boxes where we're focusing on our analysis, and it is 0.000. So that is smaller than 0.05, so the p-value indicates that the relationship is statistically significant. Also, the correlation is 0.325 and it is a positive value, so that lets you know that it's a positive or direct relationship, which just means as one variable goes up, so does the next variable. So as A goes up, so does B. And then the closer to 1, the stronger a relationship is, and the closer to 0, the weaker a relationship is. 0 signifies the absence of a relationship. So with a 0.325, some may say that this is a weak relationship or even a moderate. It depends on the person. So our correlation table lets us know that there is a relationship between how many times students reported using marijuana and how many times students reported being in physical fights. However, to determine causality, we cannot use correlations. You would have to use a controlled experiment so that you can analyze cause and effect. And also with correlations, you are able to use variables that are intervals, ratios, or ordinal. And just to show you how the variables were measured in SPS, they are both interval. You can see the categorical responses to the amount of times that you could have put, and the same applies to question 42. Thank you.